Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have 3 ways to package Valentine treats, all made with the January 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit Key to My Heart. Let's get started. I chose the Fresh Freesia card base for this treat box, and I scored the printed pattern side at 3.5 inches. Then I cut 3/4 of an inch off the plain side. Next, I scored each side at 3/4 of an inch. Using my snips, I cut up along the 3/4 inch score lines just until I reached the horizontal score line on both long edges to form the tabs of my box. Then I mitered all of the tabs by cutting both sides at a slight angle. Fold all of the score lines the same direction and turn the box and fold all of the sides and tabs in the same direction. Add a strong adhesive like Seal Plus to the colored side of the center tabs and to the end tabs on the plain half of the box. Adhere the center tabs to form the spine of the box. Adhere the end tabs to form the bottom corners. Add the same strong adhesive to the colored part of the box top tabs and adhere. Fill the box with treats. 2 York Valentine hearts fit easily. A gift card would also fit. I decorated the top of the treat box with a sentiment, twine, and some of the die cuts from the kit. And there's the first package. For the shaker gift bag, I started with the petal pink card base with the die cut keyhole. I trimmed off the back of the card and cut the front down to 4.5 inches. I trimmed a piece of petal pink cardstock down to 4 inches by 4 3/8 as I'm saving the back of the card for another project. I stamped the heart images in petal pink ink randomly in the center of the petal pink piece. After flipping the keyhole card front over, I added adhesive around the keyhole. Then I placed a scrap piece of window sheet over the keyhole. I placed foam adhesive strips all around the keyhole, making sure there were no gaps. I poured effervescent elements inside the walls and then removed the adhesive backing. After making sure the stamped hearts were upright, I placed the stamp image face down on top of the keyhole and pressed to adhere. I glued the shaker element to the front of an embossed treat bag available in the annual catalog. Then I wrapped my Valentine goodies in some of the Fresh Freesia tissue paper from the kit box and inserted them into the gift bag. I used a sentiment and die cuts from the kit to finish off the front of the bag. Package number 2 complete. For my third treat package, I used the add-on treat box with supplies to make 10 boxes. Each box base is labeled bottom. Fold on the score lines as shown. Then remove the adhesive cover on one end, fold and press to secure. Repeat on the opposite end. Fill the bottom with your favorite Valentine candy. Each box lid is labeled top. Fold all score lines, remove the adhesive cover, and fold over to secure. It's so cute! I used one of the owl images from the free Adorable Owl Celebration stamp set, along with a sentiment and die cuts from the kit to decorate the box top. Kits like this make it so fast and easy to create cute packaging. Find written instructions with measurements over on my blog at... Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.